Let's go, let's go. 420 we spawn in portals. Invite Moxie. Put marks and slots. Let's go, let's go. We can go, we can go, we can go, Moxie, we can go. Ready? Okay, okay, okay. I'm watching. Yeah. Need 10 seconds, 10 seconds for spin. Yeah, yeah. Ready, ready. Need shields, brother, wait. Ready? Oh, fuck. You went too deep, brother. I spawn 2. Spawn 2. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I have spawn campers here. Okay, abort 1, abort 1. Let me swap my bastion, please. Okay. We're all here. Okay, wait, wait, wait. Look at this clamp, brother. Look at this clamp. Ready? Let's go, let's go. Fucking block. Spin 15. Come back if you can. Moxie, Moxie. Need okay, okay. I need 10 seconds. And we can go right. Okay, we can go. Let's go. Okay, nice. Big, big, big. Try to back up, try to back up a bit. Need 10 seconds. Hey, I'm ready in 3 seconds. Let's go, let's go. Right, left, left. Nice, good, good. I got fear, by the way. Need 5 seconds. Many on me. The Pradel on me. Look at this guy. Moxie, I'm coming. Ready, ready, go, go, go. Okay, need 10 seconds. So many people behind us. We can go right, we can go right. Okay, okay. The fucking. Yeah, yeah. Look, number 4, number 4. Look at the spinner. What the fuck is he doing, bro? He's fucking stupid, bro. Yeah, yeah, let's go, let's go. Ready, ready, ready. I fucking fear. I'm ready, Moxie. Didn't use a spin. I need 10 seconds. Look at this guy, please. Look at this guy. Mark him. I'm ready, Moxie. Go, go. He pulled me, he pulled me, he pulled me, he pulled me. Can you mark this guy? The night. Nice. Okay, need 10 seconds. The dog on me, dog on me. Yeah, it's crazy. We can go, Moxie, we can go. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. I'm, I'm dead, I'm dead. So many on me, so many. Port one, port one. Yes, yes. Yes. We can move, I think. Look at this guy, number 3. Oh, okay, I port two. Yeah, after port, we can go right, we can go right. Yeah, looks free. Moxie, I'm coming and I'm ready. I'm here. Yeah, he's so alone here. Port two. Need 20 for spin. Yes, I know. Try to go right. Try to go right, guys. Need 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Wait, wait, wait. 5, 5. We can go. Let's go, Moxie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, nice. Need 10 seconds. Look at number 3 on me. I'm trying to go fight myself. Need 5 seconds. Moxie, look at this. I'm fucking buffed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm dead. Port 2, port 2. How the spawn part is coming in this fucking port 2? I'm ready to spin. We can go on this clamp. We can go, we can go. Uh, Unlucky. Need 10 seconds. Port 2, port 2. Ready to spin, Moxie. We can go full dip. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, so many, so many. Okay, 10 seconds again. Come back a bit. Need 5 seconds, Moxie. Look at this. Ready? Pull them. Look at this guy, Night Hoop. Ready? Ready, Moxie. Oh, yes, guys. Can you mark this fucking guy, the fucking stupid here? The Night Hoop, this guy. I'm ready, I'm ready. You can go. But I'm dead. Port 2, port 2. Okay, I'm coming. And ready to spin. Look left, Moxie. Let's go. Quick. Yeah. Need 10 seconds. Hide a bit behind here. So, need 5. Ready, Moxie? I had no mana to spin, but skill. Oh, I'm getting Portal 1. Okay. I'm ready. And we can go left now. Wait, Moxie. Okay, let's go. I fucking feared, bro. Need 20 seconds now. How they play the new speed, the new one, crazy. Need 5 seconds, Moxie, on this stairs. Wait. We can go. Let's go. Okay. Nah. This guy has no collision resist, by the way. Let's go, Knight. Need 10 seconds. Yeah, I need 10 seconds as well. Look at this fucking stupid. We can go, but wait. Yeah, it's okay. I'm gonna spin. Bro, we're getting fucking fourth one. Yeah, that's crazy. I need 10 seconds. And we can go left, but 5 seconds. 5. Ready? Ready, Moxie? Ready, Moxie? It's crazy, no. Yeah. Need 10 seconds. Try to back up a bit. Okay. 5 seconds. Okay. Look at this. Yes, go. It's good. Need 15 seconds. We can go. It's fucking crazy. I'm trying to come. 5 seconds. Ready, Moxie? I can move. Need 15 seconds. Look at number 5. Number 5 is only on me. It's crazy, bro. 5 seconds. Look at this guy. I can move. Wait, I'm here. Look at this. Ready? For 2. 1, sorry. I need collision, guys. Need 25 now. 20 seconds. 20, 20. 15 seconds. Yes, yes. Look at number 5, please. Five seconds, Moxie. Number 5 coming to me. Ready? Look at this guy, bro. We have bubble for next spin. Need mana? Okay, okay. Look at this clamp. Okay, okay. Hook number 5. He has no collision. Moxie, ready? Ready, ready, ready. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. Need 10 seconds. I'm getting the grapple. I'm on the top. I'm on the top. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Moxie, look this. Ready? Fuck, fuck. Man on me, man on me. I'm dead. Port 1. Port 1. But in port 1 is kinda hard. Okay, I'm moving in. Ready, ready. But wait, I'm coming. Sorry. Moxie, wait. Okay, we can go left. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Big, nice, bro. I have no more stamina. Bro. Okay, okay, it's okay. We're still alive. Need 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Can you do... Ready, Moxie? Okay. Nice. Need 10 seconds. 5 seconds. We need bubble on this, please. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, okay. Need 10 seconds. Number 5 still on me. I'm gonna die here. Okay, port 2. Oh, sorry, bro. I go 2. I go 2. It's okay, it's okay. We're free. Moxie, ready? Look at this clamp. Next to stairs. Ready? Okay, it's okay. Port 2. Port 1. Port 1. Okay. Okay, let's move to the stone. Ready? Look at this, Moxie. Let's go. I can move. I can move. Many on us. Many on us. Yeah, I'm dead. Port 2. Port 2. We are coming in the stone. Let's move. Let's move. Let's go, Moxie. Let's go. Yeah. Need 5 seconds. I'm full debuffed. The fuck? 2 seconds. Need shields. Ready, Moxie, ready? They... Okay, for 2. 20 seconds for spin. Oh, we're gonna die here. We can move. We can go, we can go, we can go. Yes, 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 yes. Nice. Por 2, por 2. Look at this guy. I try to move. Moxie, look at the stairs. Wait, wait, wait. Let's go on stairs, stairs, stairs. I'm here as well. Por 2, por 2. Ready, spin ready. Look at number 7 and 8. Let's go. It's okay. Need 20 seconds. I'm getting the grapple again to save myself. Wait, wait, wait. Por 2, por 2. Spin ready, spin ready. I'm coming from. Okay. Yes. Okay, go. I can go. Fuck it. Need 20 seconds. 10 seconds. Wait, wait, wait a bit, wait a bit. 5 seconds. Look left. Big lamp, big lamp. 3 seconds. I'm shit as well. So many on me, so many on me. Yeah. Por 2. Ready? Let's go, Moxie. Let's go. Nice. Many on us, many on us. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. Number 5 on me again. Look left, look left. 3. Okay, okay. We have bubble for this. Let's go. It's okay, it's okay. 10 seconds. Look at this. We have bubble for this. We have bubble for this. 8, okay. 8, wait 8 seconds. And we can go for this. Let's go. Let's go, Moxie. Let's go. Wait, wait. Nice, brother. Need 10 seconds. Oh, they are coming behind us. 5 seconds. I try to move. No. He jumped. He dropped. He dropped me. He dropped me down. Part. Bastard. I spin the guy who dropped me down. GG, guys. Ooh, nice damage. Let's go. Did this guys think